Subscribe Smart Tech Magic's channel and hit the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch latest tech videos before anyone else.
Hello friends, myself Darshan Kumar Dash. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Tech Magics. In this video, I'm going to unbox this Lenovo IdeaPad gaming laptop which I have bought from Chandnichowk at EMall. So without any further delay, let's begin. Now before unboxing this laptop, let me talk about the pricing of this. This laptop cost me around 62,400 rupees, and in this 62,400 rupees I have not only got this laptop but I have also got an antivirus with 1 year of accessible usage. So let me show you what's written on the box. So here you can see Lenovo IdeaPad gaming mentioned out here. Let me move around the box. Here you can see all the highlighting features are mentioned. CPU AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, base frequency 3.0 GHz, 8GB RAM, 1TB hard disk plus 256GB SSD. GPU is GTX 1650Ti. And it's 39.62cm Full HD IPS display, which is basically 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, 3-cell battery. OS is Windows 10 Home, but shopkeeper says that within a week I will receive Windows 11 update. And here some QR code is there, Lenovo branding, sellotape of Lenovo brandings. You can see. By the way, if you buy this laptop, then you will also get Windows Office pre-installed out here. Now I'm going to quickly unbox this. It's quite tight. Now here is the laptop. As you can see, I am slowly I have to bring it out this carefully. This is the laptop. This is the laptop, but let's keep this laptop aside and let's check out what are the other things that we are getting inside the box. These are the user manual which you wish you can read. This is safety and warranty guide. Let's see what else we get inside the box. This is the power adapter. As you can see, this is the power adapter, and you can see it is 135 watt fast charging power adapter. This is the cable. And by the way, I have forgot to mention the weight of this laptop. The weight, as it's mentioned in the box, it's around 3.27 kg. Yes, the laptop is quite heavy, but not that much. And the good thing of this laptop is you can open this laptop with one hand. I have tested in the shop only, and this has a sensor by which the laptop boots up as soon as you just open it. Now you can see I have unboxed it just now. It will boot up as soon as you open it. I'm showing you that also, and you can open it using one hand only. As you can see, let's have a quick look at this laptop. And by the way, this backlit keyboard looks amazing. I am showing you that also by turning off the light. And as you can see, the backlit keyboard looks literally amazing. I can also adjust this backlit. And this laptop has got Office pre-installed, and within few days I will also get Windows 11 update on this laptop, as the shopkeeper says. And you can see all the Office apps are pre-installed out here. Here are all these Office apps. Let me adjust the brightness out here because maybe you can't see the screen properly. And let me show you the specifications also. So here I'm going to show the specifications. As you can see, and here as you can see, the processor is mentioned here, AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, and RAM is 8GB, out of which 3.37GB is usable, as you can see right here. Now I'm showing you the specification in another option also, and you can check the specs of the GPU, of its GPU in Tech Power of GPU Z. I'm showing you the specs. So as you can see, it's having NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics, which is having 4GB GDDR6 VRAM, and the GPU clock speed you can see out here. And it's also having built-in Radeon graphics, which is 512 MB DDR4 graphics. So we have 384 unified shaders and DX12 support. You can see out here. And you can see its spec is having 1024 CUDA cores, along with 32 ROPs and 64 PMUs and 128-bit bus width. And you can see this Radeon graphics specification as well. I am showing you that also. It's having, the Radeon graphics is having 384 CUDA cores along with 24 PMUs and 8 ROPs. It has 384 unified shaders, and the GTX 1650 Ti has got, let me show you, 1024 unified shaders. So these are all the specifications of this laptop, and this quick unboxing and my first impression. The laptop is really a great laptop. You can, but if you want to buy this laptop online, it will cost around 75,000 rupees approximately. But rather, I would recommend you to buy it from EMall in Chandnichowk, Kolkata, at much cheaper prices. I got it at 62,400, which is roughly around 63,000 rupees. So better buy it on Chandni market. And so this is all about it. So these are all the specifications of this laptop, and this was my first impression and unboxing as well, as you have seen. And so thanks for watching. Very soon I'm going to make a full review of this laptop for installing some apps like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora and all those video editing apps, as well as some games like GTA 5, Cyberpunk, etc. So thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye. By the way, he is my nephew and his name is Goku. Say Goku, say goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.